Hi all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, White Hat Junior is hiring through us. So they are hiring for women coders. Before going forward, or if you are a male, if you are having a friend or relative who know coding and who is seriously looking for a job, you can please forward this video so that it will be very useful for them. So there is also one more filter over here. Candidates only from these specific locations are only should apply for this Google form because within 48 hours expected you will get a phone call from this company. So before going to the job description, let me go through the locations. Candidates who are willing to relocate also can apply for this notification. So first one is Sitamarhi, Bihar. If I am spelling it wrong, pardon me. Second one is Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh. Third one is Dadri, Uttar Pradesh. Fourth one is Aurangabad, Bihar. And next Girdi, Jharkhand. And next Noida, Uttar Pradesh. Neyur, Kanyakumari. And next Hyderabad, Telangana. And next comes Gurdaspur, Punjab. And next Indrapuram, Ghaziabad. And next Rajpura, Punjab. Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Purnia, Bihar. Pathankot, Punjab, Himmatnagar, Gujarat, and Sindh, Haryana. Let me now talk about job description and who are eligible for this notification. So here they have clearly explained everything in detail. So I will just read it out for you. So first what they are saying is our partner school needs an expert female coding teacher. There are n number of openings, so don't worry here. So they are looking for expert female coding teacher to conduct coding classes for grades 1 to 12. The ideal candidate will have an education background in computer science. So you should be either from computer science or IT background or coding background should be available physically at school. So this is not online job and this is purely offline job where you need to go as a teacher to school every day and should be flexible to take classes based on school schedule. So next point what they are saying is the candidate will also possess a keen understanding of the school students and an appreciation for their everyday struggles and issues with coding, who wants to provide students with an exemplary coding education. So a lot of female candidates, their main dream of becoming teacher will be achieved with this notification. That too, if you are from computer science background, then this notification is right for you. Let's talk about the responsibilities part. So before going to the responsibilities part, here not every skill is mandatory. If you are having prior knowledge about that, also please do apply for this notification. Let's talk about the responsibilities part. First one is conduct classes in coding for grade 1 to 12 students. And next is be available physically at school daily and be flexible to take classes based on school schedule. And next, follow all disciplinary guidelines given by White Hat Junior and school and maintain a strong working relationship with the students and staff. And next comes manage classes carefully to ensure all students are learning in a safe, constructive environment. Focus on concept clarification of the students. Next comes spend a few hours daily to prepare for upcoming classes. All content will be provided. Clear all assessments before showing up in class. Demonstrate academic competence in coding and invest time in training to stay updated with the curriculum. Next come facilitate problem solving with a curious mind and critical thinking skills to teach students with all skills. And next comes participate in parent teacher meetings and communication. Well, as you will become a teacher, you have to do even this. Attending parent teacher meetings. Maintain discipline aligned with the school. Learner's mindset is essential and attendance in White Hat Junior training at regular time intervals is mandatory. So you might have understood the responsibilities part. Let me explain you about work hours and benefits. Working hours will be according to the school timings. Weekly offs and holidays will be decided by the school. Teachers will be expected to follow the rules and regulations shared by the school. So next comes classes will be in person, physically done in the computer labs. White Hat Junior will provide cutting edge curriculum and training for teachers to upskill themselves, adding a strong value. And next comes White Hat Junior will be provide certification for teacher once she completes the training modules. So let's talk about desired qualifications or skills which is in common. So you should be from bachelor's or master's degree in computer science or anything IT related. 1 year of school teaching experience preferred, but it is not mandatory. Ability to build rapport with school age students. And next comes excellent communication and presentation skills. And next comes demonstrable record of helping students achieve high test scores preferred. And next comes ability to organize tasks and manage time to meet many and varied deadlines. And next comes working familiarities with assistive technologies, internet and email systems, and word processing and presentation. And next comes familiarity with computers, either it would be normal Windows PC or Apple, and their use in instruction to enhance student learning. And the last point what they're looking for is excellent verbal and written communication skills. So let's talk about preferred skills. So not every skill is mandatory, don't worry, because for each grade it will be a different thing for you. So do not worry. So when we are talking about preferred skills, first they are looking for knowledge of HTML, CSS and Blockly. And next comes experience in game development and front-end app development. And next comes web development, HTML, CSS. And next comes JavaScript, web development, backend and hosting. And next comes React Native, JavaScript, mobile app development and AR. And next comes Python foundations plus application software. Here they are also clearly saying that all skills mentioned are preferred but do apply in case relevant knowledge of expertise in similar skills. So as I said, not all skills are mandatory. So candidates who are watching the video till this point, I have already kept this link in the description below. Just come there. If you are meeting the eligibility criteria, just fill the form. So here give your name. Just give either if you are male or female, but this notification is only for female. And next email to contact and even mobile number to contact. And here as I told you before, just choose a location or the location where you want to relocate. So give your pin code there and next state and next highest education qualification. And next, if you are having prior coding experience, just keep yes. If you don't have, keep no. Even if you are having prior coding experience in college level, also do it as yes. And next, do you have a laptop or PC and broadband connection? They are looking for candidates who are having laptop and broadband connection as well. So keep that in mind. Consent to White Hat Junior contacting you. So if you are clicking yes, then only they'll contact you, or else they will not do. So just submit this Google form. If you are meeting this eligibility criteria, for sure they'll call you back. So I hope this video is interesting for you. Please do share among your friends. So all the best guys, we are coming up with much more notification video for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.